Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to whip up egg whites or beat egg whites into soft peaks. So let's just jump right in. So I have two bowls over here, a small one and a big one. In the small one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add egg yolks, and in the big one I'm going to add the egg whites and finally beat the egg whites into soft peaks. So I have three eggs over here, 3 large eggs. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and separate the egg yolks from the egg whites. I'm gonna put the egg yolks in the small one. Reason being is because the egg whites are gonna need some space to be whipped up into. And also please make sure that you use a steel bowl or a glass bowl. Do not use a plastic bowl, please, because it's not going to work. So I'm gonna go ahead and separate my eggs into egg whites and yolks. So make sure you don't put any yolk into the egg whites. If you have some egg whites in the yolks, that's perfectly fine, but if you end up adding even a little bit or a couple drops of egg yolk into the egg white, it's not going to whip up properly. Also guys, another tip over here I could give is while you're separating the egg whites from egg yolks, or rather before, make sure that none of your bowls, or especially the bowl that you're going to whip up the egg whites in, make sure that there's no water in it or no other liquid other than the egg whites in it, because if there is some other liquid in there, there are high chances that it's not going to whip up into soft peaks. So all I'm going to do here is going to start whipping up this egg whites into soft peaks with a hand blender. You can use a hand blender, you can use a hand whisk, you can use a stand mixer. Totally depends on what you want to use. So you want to just keep whisking them, and you can increase the speed in between, but it takes about 5 to 6 minutes to come up to soft peaks, and maybe a little longer, a minute or so longer to come to hard peaks. Also, I want to mention one more thing. Please don't leave your egg whites in between and come back to them. If you feel like you're getting tired, maybe tell someone else to take over, but don't leave them and come back, because they will go back to being flat. So that's how the final result looks, you guys, and I really just hope that you got to learn how to whip up egg whites. It's not difficult at all. It's super easy, and it's just a little bit of patience. So I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.